Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be my skincare routine. So as you can see, I'm completely makeup free. So I've been keeping my routine pretty simple and basic, and I'm getting a little oily, so that's why I'm not enjoying a lot of greasiness on my skin. So I like to keep it very light. And if you are a beginner and you have no idea about skincare but you want to start from basic level, I do have a video on that. I'll link it above. I break down each and every step which a beginner should do. So if you are a beginner, please check that video out. It will definitely help you out in starting skincare routine. So without a further ado, let's get started with my skincare routine. Today's comment shout out goes to the vlog girl. Her name is Shubhi. Thank you so much, Shubhi, for always commenting such nice words on my videos. I really appreciate it. So today I filmed a video, that's why I have makeup on. So first I'm going to take off the makeup using my oil based cleanser. This is by Face Shop. This is the Right Water Bright, right? This is the Rice Water Bright cleansing oil. So typically I would use this every day for my nighttime skincare routine, but since I'm at home whole day, I'm working from home, I don't feel the need to double cleanse every single day. I double cleanse only when I'm wearing makeup. But if I were to go to office and even when I'm not wearing makeup, I would still use this. I would do double cleansing because of the dirt and sweat and everything. But since I'm at home, currently I'm just cleansing once using a regular face wash. But I'm wearing makeup, so I'm gonna double cleanse. So to remove makeup, first I'm gonna use this. So I just pour some and just massage my skin really well. Be gentle near your eye area. Like to remove the mascara, we tend to do this, but be really gentle. For oil based cleansers, you are first supposed to melt down your makeup using this motion, and after that you are supposed to put little water on it and then again massage, so it will give a milky foam that way, and then completely rinse it off. So I just rinsed that cleanser off. So for my next step, I've been using this face wash by Simple. It's really gentle. My Face Shop cleanser got over, so that's why I've been using this. I use it in the morning as well, and I really like how gentle it is. It's perfect for sensitive skin. So I just take about this much. Focus. And massage onto my skin. I add little water so that it foams up, and massage it for about a minute. Whenever you're cleansing your face, don't just apply it for the sake of applying and then wash. It's not doing anything if you do that. You have to actually take your time to massage and cleanse your face really well. So some areas you might be avoiding, such as here. So just take your time to touch each and every part of your face so that it gets cleansed. If you notice you're getting some pimples in some weird areas, that's probably because you're not cleansing it right. So make sure to cleanse the entire face really well. You can even use your knuckles like this and just gently massage it. It really feels good. I'll just wash my face and be right back. So I just washed my face. So normally I would just let my face air dry because I don't like to use towels for your face, because if you use that towel for wiping other stuff like your hands and all, it can have a lot of bacteria. So it's better if you maintain a separate towel for your face. So I prefer just air drying instead of having a separate towel. But if I'm feeling lazy or if I'm in a hurry, I just use regular towel, but mostly I try to avoid that. So next I'm going to exfoliate. So whenever I'm not going to use an exfoliator and I'm just going to hydrate my skin, I like my skin to be a bit damp, so I won't wipe the water completely. I'll just let it air dry and keep a little dampness. But today I'm going to exfoliate. So for that I use glycolic acid by The Ordinary. So I use it on alternate days or once in 2 days, like if I'm feeling lazy. So I just take my cotton pad and take like 2-3 drops for one side of my face. I've been applying a lot of it recently. I usually apply toners with my hand, But this particular toner I love to apply using a cotton pad instead of my hands. Sometimes I use my hands if I'm feeling lazy. And this cotton pad is from Miniso. I had got a big pack. It was really cheap. I should not be doing this in sun. Like I'm sitting right in front of sun and applying glycolic acid. Wow, you have to do for videos. Let's not apply much because it's not night yet. And whatever's left on this tissue, I also like to apply it on my elbow just for, you know, extra exfoliation there, and even on my knees and even on my underarms sometimes. So whenever I'm not using this, I just apply a normal hydrating toner, or I just spritz some rose water on my face, and then I go in with moisturizer. I even use hyaluronic acid sometimes, but I've been keeping it pretty simple lately because it's really hot and I don't feel like putting a lot of layers. My winter skincare routine is completely opposite because my skin tends to be more dry in winter, so I apply a lot of hydration, moisturization, a lot of stuff. And now, since even my moisturizers are getting over, this is the moisturizer I've been using lately. This is by Sukin, and it's almost over. This is like a natural product based. Usually such moisturizers are very heavy and they make you sweat. When you apply it on your face, they make you sweat. I don't know if you have experienced that, but I have with whatever organic based moisturizers I have tried. Oops. But with this moisturizer, I don't feel that. It quickly gets absorbed into the skin and it leaves a really nice finish, which I like. And since my skin is getting a bit oily in the T-zone and all because of summer, this is not very greasy also, so it's perfect. If you have combination or oily skin, this moisturizer is good for you. So I'm just going to apply a little bit and just spread it, and then I'm done with my skincare. And also, don't forget your neck. Whatever skincare products you're using, always apply it on your neck. With this motion, don't do this motion. I used to do it in the past, but it just sags your skin down. So do it in this upward motion for your neck. So sometimes when I'm feeling extra, after I'm done with my skincare, just like makeup, I like to spritz some face mist. I don't think it makes any difference because you have like locked in everything using a moisturizer. But still I like to do this. It just feels very refreshing and hydrating. So I'm using rose water currently, and it really feels very cool, and you know, it calms you down, so I love doing this. So yeah, that's it for my skincare routine. And also lip balm. I mean, not during my skincare routine, but I keep applying lip balm like every 10 minutes. So one more thing I forgot. I also apply caffeine solution by The Ordinary. I mostly forget to apply this, so whenever I remember, I just take one drop here and one drop here and apply it. I feel it really makes a difference. Like if you have dark circles, I'm not talking about the dark circles which you have got due to heredity or other reasons. I'm just talking about you know, a slight darkness due to sleeping less. I feel it really helps for that. And if you use it regularly, day and night, in the morning as well, but I mostly forget to do that. But if you use it regularly, I'm sure you'll see thoda sa difference, not like a huge difference, but it does make a little bit of difference. I would gently just massage it. So that's it for my evening skincare routine. My morning skincare routine is very simple. So in the morning, I use this face wash while having bath, and I also use this Dermalogica's microfoliant. I use it once in 2 days or on alternate days whenever I feel like it, and it's still not over. I've been using it since 2 years and it's so good. I have a review video separately on it, so if you want to see a demo or review, you can check that out. I'll just link it above. And this is quite expensive. This is like 3,000 something, but I feel it's really worth it because you get a lot of quantity and a lot of it is still left, and I'm using it since 2 years, and I feel it has really improved my skin texture a lot. Like right from one use itself, you can see a little bit brightness to your skin and more even texture. So I really love this. It has salicylic acid. It's a combination of physical and chemical exfoliator. Really love this. It's very gentle as well to be used every day. I directly put this moisturizer. Sometimes I use niacinamide, but it's almost over. So it's like just using moisturizer these days. Even sunscreen I have not used since so long because whole day I'm at home, so I don't feel the need to use a sunscreen. But whenever I do use sunscreen, like if I'm going out to buy groceries and stuff, I use this Suncross sunscreen. I have told it in a lot of my videos. I love this. This is I think my 4th or 5th bottle. I finished so many. So that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed my skincare routine, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every Saturday, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.